Okay, so today we're going to teach you how to make a very popular hot closed-faced sandwich. Probably next to grilled cheese, it's the most popular, definitely the one you'll see most on most menus, and that is going to be the Reuben. We have 2 slices of dark rye. You can use light rye as well or marble rye. The next thing we're going to do is on 1 slice of the rye, we're going to put Swiss cheese. You're going to put corn, you can use corned beef, is traditional. Pastrami is also traditional, but you can also use ham or anything else, but it wouldn't be a Reuben with anything else, but you can do that. Okay. After that, we're going to put some sauerkraut on top of the meat and spread that out kind of evenly. We want to make sure that we cover the sandwich. There we go. Yeah, that's good. Okay. And then the next thing we're going to do is take a little bit of our Thousand Islands that we made earlier, and we're going to put that right on top. Okay. Again, we want it to kind of spread around and cover the sandwich, about a tablespoon. The next thing we're going to do is come with another piece of Swiss cheese, put that on top, and then we're going to put the final piece of bread. Now, once the sandwich is assembled, we're actually going to need to take a little bit of butter, and we're going to butter our bread and grill it. So as I said, we're going to come in and butter both sides of the sandwich with some soft bread. Okay, spread it all the way around so that you get it even grilled. We can turn that over. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. Again, spreading out the soft butter. So we're going to go ahead. You should be able to hear the actual sizzle of when you put it in, because that's that butter melting down, and it's going to make it nice and crisp and give it some color and some deliciousness. We're going to let this go for about 4 minutes on one side, and then after that we're going to turn it, let it go for about another 2 to 3 minutes. The key is that we need to make sure that we melt the cheese and warm up the corned beef in the center and the sauerkraut as well. So we've grilled it on, like I said, about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and what we have is kind of a nice crispy, as you can hear, toast on the bread on both sides. The cheese is melted, the meat's warm, and now we're going to kind of cut at a slight diagonal for presentation purposes. Again, remembering that it's now a ready-to-eat food, so because it is a ready-to-eat food, we want to make sure that we use gloves. So we're going to put this up here, center it on the plate, put a plate up here. And there you have it, a Reuben sandwich.